I've read hundreds of sales books, but these 5 made me millions and allowed me to make $148,000 in sales commissions a month. Let's start with book number 1, Never Split the Difference by Chris Voss. Voss is a former FBI lead hostage negotiator, and the thesis of the book is average salespeople just push for a yes, but Voss proves that no is where the negotiation actually starts. When a prospect says no, they're just protecting their sense of control. So if you push back too much, you're gonna lose them. Instead, use tactical empathy. Stop asking why questions like, why can't you start today? It puts prospects on the defensive. Instead, switch to what or how questions. Ask, what's standing in the way of us working together today? Or how am I supposed to do that? That forces them to collaborate with you without arguing. Which brings us to book number 2, Pitch Anything by Oren Klaff. When you pitch someone, it goes straight into your prospect's primitive crocodile brain, which filters for 2 things, threat and boredom. If you act needy or desperate, you're immediately categorized as low status. And that's why you have to master frame control. Klaff used to pitch venture capitalists every single day, getting rejected, waiting for them 45 minutes to take the meeting, and instead, he cut his pitch into only 10 minutes. Instead of begging them to hear his pitch, he packed his bag and he told them, if you're only gonna give me 10 minutes, we're not gonna have enough time to see if this is a fit. Instead, let's reschedule when you actually have time. He broke the frame and won the deal. So on your calls, when a prospect tells you, just tell me the price, break their frame. Tell them, to be fair, I don't know if I can help you yet. I only discuss price once I know I can help you for sure. Book number 3, The Challenger Sale by Matthew Dixon and Brad Adamson. Research analyzing tens of thousands of conversations showed that the relationship builder, the sales rep who always sweet talks people and builds relationships with others, is the lowest performer in high-ticket sales. Instead, the top earners are challengers. They don't cater to prospects. They teach them something new and they challenge their assumptions. If a prospect tells you, my issue is lead gen, you can challenge them by saying, yeah, and most people think lead generation is the issue, but the reality is it's their offer conversion. Because if I send you 100 leads today, how many of them will actually buy? Teach them their blind spot and you become an indispensable advisor. Book number 4 is $100 million Offers by Alex Hormozi. If your offer is weak, you have to pitch like a master to close even the tiniest deal. But when your offer is incredible, sales becomes effortless. Hormozi breaks down the value equation. Dream outcome times perceived likelihood of success divided by time delay times effort and sacrifice. The average salespeople only talk about the dream outcome. To close deals twice as fast, attack the bottom half of the equation. Reduce the time delay and their effort. That's going to show prospects how your systems take away the heavy effort off their plate and delivers fast results. When the effort that they need to put in drops, usually their objections disappear. And book number 5 is Spin Selling by Neil Rackham. He analyzed more than 35,000 sales calls and he proved one thing, that sales is won or lost during the discovery. And that's how he created Spin. Situation, problem, implication, and need payoff. Because the reality is 99% of closers hear a problem and they jump to offer a solution. Elite closers spend all of their time in discovery and implication. Ask them, what happens in your business 6 months from now if you don't fix this? Make them feel the real financial cost of inaction and they will beg you for the solution. These 5 books completely change the way I approach sales, but knowledge without action is useless. If you want to actually execute on this and want my exact closing scripts, call breakdowns, and the exact sales frameworks I use, make sure to join my school community below, and I'll see you there.